Nairobi County workers are tonight in a rush to beat the deadline for making Luthuli Avenue a one-way street.
Let's see if they'll make it. The county had set a deadline of 30th May for completion of the ongoing works, which have caused tension between some bus operators displaced by the construction works and traders.
NTV's Helen Wanjohi with the details.
The two-week deadline is due, and this is the state of Luthuli Avenue. Workers trying to accomplish what appears almost impossible. The signboard put up by the county government shows the construction was scheduled to end on 30th May. That means midnight tonight. When NTV visited the site today, we expected to see a pedestrian walkway, lights, and the painting of road markings, but instead there was this. Workers dusting the roads, women in a hurry to clear cement piles, and uneasy county executive members deliberating on just how they will manage to beat the clock. Governor Mike Sonko walked all the way to the Luthuli Avenue to launch the project last week on Wednesday, pointing out that many traders, especially shop owners, complain of their business entrances being blocked by public service vehicles, which affects their business negatively.
Ni kwa ukweli kwa sababu one, kuna vumbi nyingi sana, na number two ni kwamba kuna wale watu ambao naona hapa wengi ni wafanyikazi, si wanunuzi. Wanunuzi wamejitenga, hawako hapa tena.
Nairobi County Executive for Transport Itan Majevdia is confident that the avenue will be tarmacked by Friday morning.
Before tomorrow. Tonight we are sleeping here to finish it. All of us are sleeping. Even my colleagues have joined me to...
The one-way street is expected to ease congestion, but has caused some temporary problems, such as the altercation witnessed on Tuesday between traders along Munyu, Gaborone and Timboroa Lane and drivers of the Kenyan Pia bus circle over parking space. The county chose Luthuli for a road project in partnership with the United Nations because it is one of the streets in the CBD with a lot of businesses. Helen Wanjohi, NTV.